Kubor ka Bakisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Hadin Arsenal balapan sange ya Rynsan Ïakop thai bhabriu Miss Meghalaya mentaka kenti ginong penya jaga Miss Meghalaya organization kilapan menapai ba ban pelong biang yagani Rynsan Ïakop da ka bakhot bat wer ya kisamla kentai na kaleng gejela ban wan shakmat na ka benta ban ya shimenta haga audition ka ban salong haga arpau tarik unailar arajar arpuar ha youth hostel Shillong kat ba ya gajing Ïakop jaga Miss Meghalaya arajar arpuar kan salong ha ubnai nailor mentau snem arajar arpuar Keakriti Shen hagajing keren bat kilat patai kubor kalaya tu bagi nongi shimenta kidai bandon ya keren yang gaba sanpot lain shi Sheneng kidai ban long ki nong shong shnong jong jela Meghalaya bat kidai ban long ki badang hapo karta gaba arpusan snem ka khusnam na benta ka nong job ka banengkong kan long da ka pisa ka silak tingka kat ba ka bawan baar kan yok khoria ka song pisa ka sanpo hajar tingka bat ka bawan balai kan yok khoria ka song pisa ka arpo hajar tingka Shusho kalaya tu baka nong job ka banengkong bar kumjo ka nong job ka bawan haka kerdan ka baar kin sayo alat ban mikmat ya ka jela Meghalaya haka Miss Northeast 2022 Beauty Pageant ka ban salong hanong ba Kohima jong jela Nagaland haka tayo ka banengkong jong benai risau arajar arpuar.
We are here today to mark the beginning of Miss Meghalaya 2022 after 2 years of COVID. We are finally able to organize Miss Meghalaya, and we are so fortunate that this is the same year that Meghalaya is celebrating its 50th anniversary of statehood. So of course this Miss Meghalaya will be an extraordinary one with much more opportunities than ever before. So to give you insights into the pageant, I would like to request our founder of the Miss Meghalaya organization, Sir Dominic Diendo, to talk about the opportunities that we are giving to our young girls.
It's different from other beauty pageants because Miss Meghalaya, there's always a platform ahead besides just winning the cash prize and the title. So this year Miss Meghalaya, the winner of Miss Meghalaya will represent the state. The winner and the first runner-up will represent the state in Miss Northeast 2022 in Nagaland, Kohima. And besides that, there are other opportunities that we are offering to our contestants that will tell them during the auditions.
Besides the title, the winners will be also receiving these attractive cash prizes. So the winner will be getting 1 lakh rupees, and the second runner-up will be getting 50, and the third will be getting 25. There will also be subtitles. The girls will be competing for a number of subtitles.
I would like to thank my Miss Meghalaya team for choosing me yet again for grooming the girls. So this will be our second time that we will be working together as a team. The first event being the Miss Maulai, which was a really successful event. So if we talk about the grooming classes, first we will have the auditions, which will be on the 20th of August, that is next month. From there, the girls will be selected. After they're being selected, they'll go through the grooming period. So in the grooming period, as a team, we want to really focus on 3 things. That is the catwalk, their speaking skills, and also what we really want to focus on is their personality training, or how their personality will develop from this platform. Besides that, we'll also be having photo shoots with really professional photographers of the state. And here also the girls will be able to showcase their talent, and we will also be there to guide them side by side, therefore bringing the confidence that they have in them. So yeah, that's it.
Regarding the Miss Northeast pageant that has been newly formed by all the different northeastern states coming up together and forming a very big pageant, that is the Miss Northeast Beauty Pageant. So what happens is that every year each northeastern state will be organizing Miss Northeast. So it's a rotation. So if it happens in Nagaland first, then the next might be Meghalaya, the third might be Mizoram. So based on their preference. It was like we are a family and they just wanted to do it first, and there's no such sequence but a random selection of which state should first should organize this pageant. So Nagaland first, and let's see who will be the next. That's a surprise.
And the auditions will be held in youth hostel itself. Thereby the grooming classes will also be conducted in youth hostel.